6 crucial ways to make a narcissist miserable. Stoic philosophy. Narcissists thrive on attention, control, and the validation they extract from others. Their behavior can be manipulative, exploitative, and emotionally draining. If you find yourself entangled with a narcissist, whether in personal or professional settings, it's crucial to understand how to protect your peace and navigate interactions effectively. Stoic philosophy offers timeless wisdom for maintaining composure, setting boundaries, and resisting the negative influence of such individuals. In this guide, we'll explore 6 powerful ways to make a narcissist miserable, not out of malice, but to disrupt their toxic patterns while preserving your inner tranquility. By applying Stoic principles, you'll learn how to neutralize their influence and reclaim control over your own emotional well-being. 1. Withdraw your attention. Narcissists crave attention as a source of validation. When you stop giving them the focus they seek, you undermine their power and disrupt their sense of superiority. Why this makes them miserable? Ignoring a narcissist deprives them of the admiration and control they need to feed their ego. Without attention, they may feel unimportant and frustrated. Stoic application. Epictetus teaches that we should focus on what is within our control. By withdrawing attention and refusing to engage in their drama, you regain control over your emotional energy. Stay calm and neutral in their presence, refusing to feed into their tactics. Second, set and enforce boundaries. Narcissists often overstep boundaries to exert control and manipulate others. Establishing firm limits disrupts their ability to dominate the relationship. Why this makes them miserable? Clear boundaries challenge a narcissist's sense of entitlement, showing them they cannot exploit or control you. Stoic application. Marcus Aurelius reminds us to act in accordance with reason and virtue. Setting boundaries is an act of self-respect. Stay consistent in enforcing your limits, regardless of their attempts to push back. Your strength and resolve will frustrate their attempts to overpower you. 3. Refuse to react emotionally. Narcissists often provoke emotional reactions to maintain control and create drama. By remaining composed, you deny them the satisfaction of manipulating your emotions. Why this makes them miserable? Emotional reactions fuel a narcissist's need for validation and control. Your calmness undermines their ability to dominate the interaction. Stoic application. Seneca advises that we should master our emotions rather than let them master us. Practice emotional detachment and mindfulness when dealing with a narcissist. Respond with logic and calmness, refusing to let their provocations disrupt your peace. 4. Focus on your own growth. Narcissists dislike seeing others succeed or grow independently of their influence. By prioritizing your personal development and well-being, you take away their power to control your narrative. Why this makes them miserable? Your success and self-sufficiency threaten a narcissist's need for dominance. They find it difficult to cope with someone who is thriving without their approval or involvement. Stoic application. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of living virtuously and focusing on self-improvement. Dedicate your energy to building skills, pursuing goals, and fostering meaningful relationships that align with your values. 5. Call out their behavior. Tactfully, narcissists rely on subtle manipulation and denial to maintain control. By calmly and assertively addressing their behavior, you disrupt their tactics and force them to confront reality. Why this makes them miserable? Being called out challenges their carefully constructed image and exposes their flaws, which they work hard to hide. Stoic application. Stoicism encourages speaking truth with kindness and courage. When addressing a narcissist's behavior, use calm and factual language, avoiding unnecessary confrontation. This approach keeps you grounded while holding them accountable. 6. Stay unmoved by their tactics. Narcissists often use guilt, manipulation, or intimidation to control others. By staying emotionally unmoved and confident in your decisions, you render their tactics ineffective. Why this makes them miserable? A narcissist's power lies in their ability to sway your emotions and decisions. Your unshakable confidence frustrates their attempts to control you. Stoic application. The Stoics teach us to focus on our internal state rather than external circumstances. Practice self-awareness and resilience, reminding yourself that their opinions and tactics have no bearing on your self-worth or peace.